We want to solve for x when x plus 2 is equal to the square root of 4 minus x. This is the equation that we had problems with in Lecture 1. Let's look at the proper way to do it. We can square both sides. We know that squaring is not one of the operations that leads to equivalent equations, so this is an implication. We can expand the left-hand side. Since we're just expanding, then these two equations are equivalent. We can subtract 4 and add x to both sides. Again, that will lead to an equivalent equation. And then we can factorize. So our possible solutions are x equals 0 and x equals minus 5. So we have x equals 0 and x equals minus 5 are necessary conditions, but they're not sufficient conditions. Why is that? If we go back to this implications arrow here, then that breaks the chain of equivalence. One more necessary condition is that x is less than or equal to minus 4, because we can't have the square root of a negative number here. Since these are necessary conditions but not sufficient conditions, then we test each of our possible solutions. We'll look at each in turn. For x equals 0, the left-hand side is x plus 2, and that's going to equal 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. The right-hand side is the square root of 4 minus x, so it'll be the square root of 4 minus 0, and that's also equal to 2. So the left-hand side of our equation equals the right-hand side. That's a correct solution. For x equals minus 5, x plus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 2. That's equal to minus 3. The square root of 4 minus x is equal to the square root of 4 minus 5, and that's equal to the square root of 9 equal to 3. So our only solution is x equals 0.